Eleni, what are we gonna do? Give our present to Papa. If you are like me, who's running out of ideas to give to their husband on Valentine's Day, this is just a perfect gift that you can give them. Sorry about the mess with it. But yeah, so he's gonna think it's a shoe. No boots. So I give my flowers. Nee, Eleni, klop op je aan!
Candy, yum.
When you have kids, nothing is surprise anymore.
I already looked at it.
You're a jerk. Okay, open it up.
Am I supposed to read it?
Yeah.
Here. John, we wish you are
Oh,
in...
John.
Oh, John, we wish we are in an aeroplane. Instead, we are in...
Oh, it came off. Mercury. Where's the Mercury? Mars.
We are in Mars. May you be filled
With
meteor of blessing. Hey, cookies and cream. Do you know you Rolo our world? Oh. You meant so much to us. We love you too. Reese. Is that Reese's Pieces or just Reese?
Reese Pieces.
Reese's Pieces. You are a lifesaver. Now eat more M&Ms. You are a wonderful husband. We love you.
You missed one.
Oh, there's one more. Oh, you are a sweet heart. Oh, with the...
Do you like our box? It's impossible to do it.
It's very nice.
Your kids are enjoying this more.
You got a lot of movies going on there. You want some of those?
Oh, she got into the kisses.
Oh, that's fast.
Is this your gift? Did you ask Papa? This is Papa's gift. Did you ask him?
Sure, you get them all of it.
All of it, Jonathan.
I think you'll like that one.
So this is, I think, a cute way. What do you like it? Do you appreciate our efforts?
Yeah, it's very nice. And they're $20 too, less than the flowers.
My husband is so cheap.
Flowers are too expensive at Valentine's.
Wow.
Give me double the flowers for that much.
Well, the reason that it's expensive is they export it from all the way to Colombia.
They're from Colombia?
The majority of the flowers in the U.S. are from Colombia.
Oh, if Colombia is selling their breasts, we fly.
Your kids are they're enjoying it more. But Elena, I have a Valentine's gift for you too. Look at this. Happy Valentine's, Ella. Wow. Happy Valentine's, Evelyn. Look.